This is Dr. Hina Beg, and today's topic is investigation of the breast symptoms. First, we have to take accurate history, then clinical examination. For clinical examination, we have to palpate and carefully observe the breast with arms at rest and with elevated arms. There are 5 methods for the investigations: mammography, ultrasound, needle biopsy, magnetic resonance imaging, triple assessment, and large needle biopsy with vacuum systems. For mammography, there are 3 points: soft tissue radiograph, and its sensitivity increases with age because at increased age, breasts become less dense. Mammography is divided into digital mammography and tomomammography. Next is ultrasound. Ultrasound is useful in young women with dense breasts, and it is also important for the impalpable areas of the breast where the cysts are not palpable easily with the help of mammography. So ultrasound is useful in that case. Next thing is magnetic resonance imaging. Magnetic resonance imaging is useful in distinguishing the scar from recurrence, and it should be performed within 9 months of breast surgery. Next point is it is useful to assess the extent of DCIS, ductal carcinoma in situ, and it is useful in those women who have implants in their body and in those who are high risk women like obese, early menopause, late menarche, family history, and those who have history of carcinoma, and those who have contralateral breast surgery or contralateral breast history of breast carcinoma. So the next point is needle biopsy. Needle biopsy is a least invasive technique. It is cellular. It helps in diagnosis cellularly. It is rapid process. It is very accurate, and it gives definitive preoperative diagnosis. There are 5 points for needle biopsy. Next is large needle biopsy with vacuum systems. Large needle biopsy is helpful in management of tumors in which there are microcalcification, and in case of complete excision of benign lesions like fibroadenoma. Next is triple assessment. Triple assessment is a method in which we find confident diagnosis with the help of 3 things. One is clinically, imaging, and pathology. Clinically, we have to check age and by examination. By imaging, we check it by ultrasound and mammography. And for pathology, we must do FNAC and co-cut biopsy. All of the things combined together and they give the confident diagnosis, which is 99% correct in case of carcinoma or non-comedo or non-carcinoma. This is all about investigations of the breast cancer.